as we know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner and we're all starting to panic and think about what it is we want to buy for our loved ones. Now, soon as we decorate our houses for Christmas, maybe even, for birthdays and things like that, why leave Valentine's Day out? So today I'm going to show you how to make one of these lovely, cute little Valentine's Day heart wreaths. So all you're going to need for this make is a hot glue gun. You're going to need some foam heart shapes. Now you can have these in any colour you want, but I've gone for red. I've also gone online and ordered an array, I should say, of hearts, all in different colours. We've got glitter, we've got shimmer, we've got red, we've got pink, we've got dark pink, we've got light pink. Safe to say, we've got some choices. You're also going to need some paper plates. Now you can go small or large for these. I've gone for the smaller ones. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. Now remember, get an adult to help you with this if you're a little person, because these are quite sharp. So I've also got some ribbon, and I think we're set. So let's get into the make. So first of all, what we're going to need to do is you're going to need to cut out the centre of your plate. Pretty simple, as you can see. All I've done is pierce through with a pencil and then popped a little bit of a tear and then cut round that section there. So that's all you're going to need for that. Well, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use a little bit of the ribbon here. Now you can use this in any colour that you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by looping this around the plate and just seeing how long I need to get that. So depending on where I want to hang my wreath from, I think that's a good size. I quite like that. So we'll go with that, but it really is entirely up to you. You can go shorter, you can go longer. Really is no right or wrong here. So once you've got that, just disregard the rest of your ribbon. And bring that up so it loops. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to join those ends of the ribbon just by gluing them together. Now you're going to need just a little dab of glue, not too much, and just be really careful of your hands here because it is exceptionally hot. There we go, so I've just made a loop there and I'm going to bring that to the back of our plate and I'm going to glue that down. Just mind those ends there. So I'm just gluing that on the back. We can glue our ribbon in place. And just press that down quite firmly. There we go. So there we go. Our wreath's taking shape. We've got our little hanging section there. I might want to as well just put a dab of glue on the front here just to hold the front of the ribbon down as well. And just disregard any bits of glue that you don't need. So there we go, we've got that ready to hang. So now let's get into the fun bit. Let's start gluing down some of these hearts. Completed Valentine's Day wreath. So what I've done is I've gone round again and added in a few more that I think could fill in the gaps and things. Also, I have found some lovely little, I guess they're kind of like jeweled heart stickers that I have got in my craft kit, and just added 3 of those on for the finishing touches. But I think that's come out really, really good. And don't worry about the back, it's not meant to be seen from the back. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So why don't you go ahead and make your own Valentine's wreath decoration for your loved one, or just generally for a little bit of a bit of love in your life. Add a little bit of Valentine's Day to your house or your room. But give it a go and let me know if you do. I'd love to see what you've made, and I'll put this on my Instagram as well for you to take a little look at.